Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is bringing back Basic Gray. Basic Gray only makes fabric now, but years ago they did paper. And they did very ornate, sometimes grungy and busy patterns. And you can see this one even has a bit of like a mixed media variation in the pattern. And that was really unusual then. Now we have many more choices. So Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram and I team up on the 18th of every month and we play with our Basic Gray papers. For this month, I bought this stamp quite a while ago at one of those, I was on a trip and I found an amazing store places, and it says, best friends are the people you can do anything and nothing with and still have the best time. And when I bought this stamp, I had a specific friend in mind. We had fun cleaning out her garage when she was moving. So I made 2 cards with it because honestly, Mr. Crafting and Relaxing tells me I should always make 2 while I'm at it, but I couldn't decide either. I love this paper, and I like how the swirls around the sentiment, but I think this one is probably better for my friend. It has a little bit of mirror paper, has some brighter colors. I think she'll like the teal. On the inside, I've got a little scrap of paper in each to make it cute. And then I wanted to show you what I did for her envelope because I don't show the envelopes very often. This one just has a fun envelope with flowers coming out of it. It's actually a Christmas stamp, which you can kind of tell by that leaf, but let that go. Then on the back, you have the most amazing ability to take an ordinary moment and make it shine. And she is definitely one of those people. This came in a set that I think Lori gave me that was beach stuff. And I've used it in journals, but I thought it'd be great for the back of an envelope too. And on both of these, I used permanent ink. So if they get wet, Oregon mail, you know how it is. They're fine. So those are my 2 cards for this month. I'm gonna send her this one, then I'll have this one for somebody else special in my life. Be sure to check out what Beth and Kathy made this month. There's no requirements. It could be a journal, it could be 1 card, it could be just making cool ephemera with your fancy papers. Our goal is not to use them up, it's to have fun with them. And to my members, be sure to come back tomorrow at 2 Pacific. I'll be doing our member live then. Take care. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. And if you want to see more Basic Gray, come back every month on the 18th. Bye-bye.